In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block downloads in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open before moving to the next part. Once Chrome is open, look to the upper right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Settings. After the Settings page opens, look for the section called Privacy and Security. This area includes important controls related to safety, permissions, and how websites are allowed to interact with your browser. Click Privacy and Security to continue. Next, select Site Settings. This page is where Chrome lets you manage what websites are allowed to do, including permissions for things like notifications, pop-ups, camera access, and downloads. If you are trying to block sites from downloading multiple files automatically, this is the section you need. Now scroll down until you see Additional Permissions. Click on that option to expand more site permission controls. In this section, find and select Automatic Downloads. This setting controls whether websites can automatically start downloading more than one file without asking you. When the Automatic Downloads setting opens, look for the toggle or option that allows sites to automatically download multiple files. Change it so that it is set to Do Not Allow Sites to Automatically Download Multiple Files. Once this is enabled, Chrome will block websites from starting repeated downloads automatically unless you allow them. That covers everything you need to know.